Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Kai and I share easy, quick and very yummy recipes on this channel. To my returning subscribers, thanks so much for clicking again on today's video. On the menu today is banana fritters and we're going to use 6 bananas. Now I'm going to peel the bananas and after that I will be adding flour. You can also add a little bit of corn flour or semolina if you wish to, but today I'm only going to use 6 tablespoons of self-raising flour. And with my wooden spoon, I'm going to mash this properly, but not too fine. So if you want to blend it, make sure it's not too smooth. Okay, so those are the 2 ingredients I'm going to use for my banana fritters, the Togolese way, of course. So no sugar needed because the banana, of course, is sweet enough. Okay, so I'm very happy with the consistency now. What I would do, I would just set it aside and heat up the oil. After 2-3 minutes, my oil is at the right temperature and I'm going to start frying it. What you need to remember, make sure you are doing this on medium-low heat because you don't want the banana fritter to be burned quickly because you want it to be also well cooked on the inside. This is just a very quick recipe that you can make to entertain your guests or for yourself, and it's very cheap. What you need to do is just to buy some bananas and then add a little bit of flour and you are good to go. I really love this for snack, and in Togo we normally have this with like hot pepper or tomato sauce with it. It's so delicious. After frying this for 6 minutes, you can see it's so ready. Don't forget to flip the other side so it can also fry properly. Very easy to make. If you are enjoying the recipe so far, kindly give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new. Now I'm frying the second batches. Keep your eyes on it, make sure you check both sides, and once you obtain this golden color, you know that side is well done and you can just flip it and let the other side also cook properly. And if you have plantains as well that you can fry it and enjoy it, you can use plantain instead of using banana for this recipe, and you're going to love that as well. As you can see, the second batches is also ready and perfectly how I love them. And now it's time to serve it. If you love banana fritters, let me know in the comment section. But if it's your first time seeing this recipe, do me a big favor, try it and also let me know what you think. I would love to hear from you as well. It's always a good idea to try new recipes, especially if they are so simple like this one. So give it a try. Now it's time for me to try. And guys, you can see how yummy this looks, and it tasted so good. You need to try this recipe. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Take care for now. Bye. Au revoir.